Greetings. We trust that you and your families are keeping safe. I'm here to give you an update of the COVID situation in our school. As you are aware that there has been a recent surge in COVID-19 cases in the country. Our school has equally experienced an increase in the number of COVID cases among our students and staff. For this reason, we have had to move the affected classes to our remote learning platform. As Rhodes School, we continue to do everything we can to keep our students and staff safe. Keeping one another safe. We are very proud of our students and staff who have shown immense resilience amid significant changes in the way we teach and the way the children learn across the school. Most of our students have continued to impress us with their ability to learn and thrive. Our staff are committed to supporting our students. As the school goes for midterm break next week, we appeal to parents and students to take the COVID-19 prevention measures seriously in light of the rising infection rates in our community. We have taken the following measures in response to the current public health situation. The school calendar. The school calendar has been amended. The midterm break will commence on Friday after knocking off, and we expect students and teachers to report back for in-person learning on Monday, June 21. The cultural afternoon has been postponed. The mid-year and mock examinations. The mid-year and mock examinations will run from June 28 to July 9. The Great Academy's prize giving ceremony will be held on Friday, July 16. The gauging examinations will run from August 3 to August 11. Health measures to be taken. All Rhodes School staff will undergo the PCR test for COVID-19 on Friday afternoon on June 11. We are advising parents to take their children who show symptoms of COVID-19 for tests during the midterm break. Teachers will work from home during the midterm break while we conduct deep cleaning of the whole school. To encourage young learners to wash their hands during the cold season, Rhodes School will provide warm water for washing their hands where possible. The eventuality of remote learning. The school has an effective remote learning strategy in place should there be need to transition to online lessons. In the meantime, we will continue to provide daily work in the Google Classroom. Parents must ensure that their children have adequate internet and gadgets for this purpose. Extracurricular activities will be conducted in the Google Classroom starting on Monday, 21 June. Activities of children in school. Physical education lessons will continue to be offered to individual classes. Students will be kept in their classrooms and during break times under the supervision of their teachers. From June 21, all students should be picked up immediately after they are taught lessons. The students will be picked up from the usual pickup points from the different 3 campuses of our school. Students in examination classes will continue receiving their examination practice lessons throughout the term. Educational trips. All local educational trips will be suspended until further notice. We will communicate in writing once we are ready to undertake these educational tours. Call for shared responsibility. Preventing further spread of COVID-19 requires input from everybody. We need to keep following the guidance given for preventing further infections. We urge families to avoid gatherings and traveling to crowded places like churches, weddings, funerals, maternity, and many others. Where possible, discourage unmanaged visits to their homes. Families who are managing active COVID-19 cases are advised not to send their children to school. This will help us safeguard the spread of the COVID-19 to other students and their families. Thank you for your patience and usual support as we navigate these challenging times together. Be assured that the school staff will continue to implement appropriate safety measures to help mitigate the risk of transmission as we keep the whole school community safe. We will continue to monitor the situation and review the current measures to respond to the COVID-19 pandemic. Thank you and keep safe.